Garlic's happening. A pestle and mortar. Yeah, it is done. This is sweet potato. It cooks faster than normal potato. So that's why my sweet potato got done really fast.
I tried really hard. I put in binding agents, but the seekh kebab would not stick, would just not stick on the skewer. So I had to improvise during my task. I just rolled it up and then I put it in foil and put it directly into the fire. That was the worst idea ever because some of it was undercooked, some of it was overcooked. I had to start all over and I decided to make round mutton kebabs instead of a long seekh kebab because I had to present something, otherwise I would literally have no dish.
I went with the whole lime slices technique where I put all the lemons on the grill and then I put my fish over it. I think I was scared because iski heat itni zyada hai. So will I end up burning the fish or overcooking it?
Literally, we all were crying throughout the task. We were wearing our glasses, but still we were crying.
शेफ मेरे पेट में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, प्लीज मेरे लिए दवाई मंगवा दीजिए। नहीं, मैं दवाई दे दीजिए, अब कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा, मुझे पहले भी दर्द हो रहा था। Before starting the task only, I was having this stomach ache, which has become more severe now. I'm struggling with it, but I cannot let it overcome my passion. Yeah, I'll be able to finish my dish because my salad is just is complete, my chutney is complete, my paratha is complete. I just have to do the chicken now and the plating.
Girls, just a quick tip. If you're cooking your protein and it's a thick chunk of meat or fish, try and cover it with a bowl. So the heat circulates, it cooks from both sides, okay? You girls have done great so far. Let us keep it up. Last 10 minutes.
Actually, I'm running short on time. And I guess I'll have to just let go of one element because I won't be able to complete it on time.
So the squid I had taken had cooked perfectly until I had put it out of the fire and covered it. Big mistake. It was already cooked. The heat from the pan plus the heat from the sunrise cooked it further, and then it just became a little too chewy. So, first instinct, cut up the squid and don't serve it as rounds.
I don't know how to make rotis, but I still went for it. And it was, I think, the stupidest thing that I could do because I didn't think that this was a slow cooking fire. And if you cook a roti or a bread on a slow cooking fire, it's definitely going to become a crusty bread and not be soft. So my lachha paratha was very hard. I improvised at the last minute and made lachha paratha crisps with the kebabs and mint chutney and even some lachhedar pyaz.
It's too late to get a fire started, all right? If you're losing fire, please ask the other contestant for a lit coal or wood and get the fire going again.
5 minutes are left. I'm just finishing my prawns. My fire went out, so that kind of slowed me down a little bit, but I think I should be okay.
I'm almost done with my dips. I'm almost done with my chicken. I'm just starting to do my plating now.
Ladies, last 1 minute. Time to finish up your plating, wipe the plate clean, and clean up your stations. Last 1 minute.
Last 10 seconds, girls.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done.
Ladies, you have the fire burning in your hearts. And this task proves it. All of you finished well on time.
Ladies, we've had such an exciting challenge today. It's been epic to cook with live fire, and you managed to make some amazing dishes.
I'm absolutely salivating. It smells incredible. I can't wait to dig in and see what you've made for us today.
Good luck, we're all excited.
To be in this beautiful location right next to the sea, cooking fresh seafood in a fire pit was very exciting. It was so nice to be able to go back to Stone Age, quite literally. Our biggest learning was, with the most simple of ingredients and the most simple of equipments, you can still make a tasty dish.